Her eyes are open finally.
Hello.
Here. Say hello.
Are we taking video?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of her?
Mhm.
Gotta wait. Come. Did you text everybody pictures of her?
Yep. I want to get a picture of her eyes open though.
Oh, look. Well, let Dad get in here and take a picture.
You should send some to Auntie Winnie and Grandpa.
She closes her eyes. Hey, Mama.
Look at So you have a picture saved to your phone now.
Oh, right there.
Aww.
Let me see.
You better be sending me these pictures. I can't believe it. Just yesterday, I was carrying you around in my belly.
That was just yesterday.
That's crazy. She's gigantic.
She's like,
Hey, my little girl.
Her feet are all
that was the cutest Amber, and that's dedicated to you and Brooke.
That's what Grandma's in for.